Welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to be opening up the next FabFitFun box. I am very excited about this box. This is my second full-size box. I did a little more this time than last time. So the first box I got was like a trial box. It just had a few items. The last box that I got was the full-size box, but I did nothing in preparation. I didn't pick out anything. This box I actually got to pick out like 4 choices, and so I don't know that I get all 4. My best friend gets a box about 2 weeks before me, and she picked out 4 items and she only got 2 of the 4 she picked out. So I don't really know how that works. Again, I'm trying to stay out of the dark for those that just don't know much about it, that can kind of gather how this works. So, but we're gonna see what's in this one. I love the packaging for this box. They always do a very themed look, so it looks like the season. So this is the seasonal fall box, and I'm super excited. The last one that we got, the summer box, all of the items that came in it, I will tell you, I have loved those items. Some of them not so much, but like the green lotion that I got that I was so obsessed with, I could use that every day. The pink face cleaning cloth is amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend that. The truffle oil toner, also am just completely enthralled with it. The travel packs I was not so crazy about. One of them actually broke before I ever even got to really use it on a trip. So they're real cheaply made. They're nice. They just, you can't really expect a lot of wear and tear. The travel case, on the other hand, is fantastic, like the makeup case, so that was great. The lipstick, I wish I could say more about, but my kids got to that before I did, and it's now like broke off into the top. I used it a few times and loved it. All right, yay. Already, I can just tell you, I am pumped about this box. I gotta tell y'all, I knew nothing about FabFitFun coming into this. I knew very little about it. I knew there were a lot of celebrities and like professional style, I guess, blue check people that did these. And so I was just weary because I felt like, you know, they're getting paid to like these things. But I gotta say, like, as someone who's coming in for, you know, just blindly to this, I just can't recommend it enough. Like, I have loved it. For someone who doesn't do a lot of shopping for myself, like these types of items, I mean, I'll go out and buy clothes and stuff, but I don't do a lot of like this type of stuff for myself. Pretty pumped about all this. So right off the bat, we have a $45 credit to a Bright Sellers. So that's like a wine gift card coupon. We have some HelloFresh, $80 off. Pass on to a friend. You get the $15 off your first FabFitFun box for a friend. And then you have your little packet here. Gonna go through here. Total value is $214 to $544. Let's just dig right in. All right, here we have a Make It More Than a Mason jar. We have the Mason Tops Hydration Kit. This is not one that I asked for, so it must be one of the picks that they give you. I don't have, normally they give me like a little sheet, and I don't have a sheet. Okay, so here it is for a regular $35. Well, isn't that just cute? So it's literally like a really tall, long mason jar. All right, it's got the top there, full top. Got your little koozie, your matching koozie. That's great, $35 value there. Ooh, 8 other reasons. We got some barrettes, some clips. Those are really, really pretty. They're like a marble toned, some muted tones, like some pinks and pearls. That's gonna be the Runaway Clip Trio. Those actually retail for $32. And again, just proof, this is just what I'm talking about. I personally would never go out and spend $32 on hair clips. Just wouldn't do it. I think that getting a box like this, paying $50 for a box like this, and getting all of these things where I wouldn't normally try these products, but if I really like them, obviously I'll go out and get some more. Let's just stick that right there. What y'all think? I like this. Those are really, they're good, like heavy duty quality barrettes, clips. Ooh, a petty in a box, deluxe 4-step, pumpkin spice. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. I'm basic and I love all things pumpkin spice. Let's see. New York Pedicure, the Voish New York Pedicure in a Box Duo Pumpkin Spice made with pumpkin extract. The fruit enzymes naturally exfoliate dead skin, or dead skin cells, and vitamin A, C, and E help reveal radiant skin. Okay, there's a soak, there's a scrub, there's a mud mask, and then a massage butter. Regularly retails for $20. You're gonna get 2 of the 4-step process, and they come in the little packets like that. You have 8 of those total, so you can do the full work through. Like I said, would never purchase this, would never buy that off the shelf. But because FabFitFun is sending that to me to give a try, if it's something that I find that I love, you better believe I'm gonna go back and get it again. It's just like that little makeup cloth or that truffle or the lotion. Never would normally just grab those off the shelf and buy them, but definitely on the wish list from here on out. Let's see, Glossmetics hair removal device. Instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area of your body. For regularly retails for $59.99. Now I'm gonna tell you, this is one I asked for because let's just be honest, after pregnancy and 4 babies, it's just one of those things you want to have on hand. So it includes batteries, the cleaning brush, the instructions, and the hair removal device. And I will say that a friend of mine that also got the box got this as well. And she has raved about it. So I'm really excited to try this. Whether you're using it as a grooming tool, I assume you can use it on maybe legs. It would probably take a while. I'll give you the rundown on that on my next box, but very excited to try that. All right, what else we got here? Oh, that's cute. Glow Milk. So that is the cutest little packaging I've ever seen. That is just precious. It's got coconut and argan oil. And what is this exactly? What am I gonna do with this? Liquid radiance in a bottle, because who doesn't want to be radiant? Creates a long-lasting, lit from within look with our champagne colored liquid highlighter. So I'm assuming that this is for your face. Oh, there's another one. Okay, the glow drops that I got last time. Maybe this is this, I guess it's probably not the same brand. This is from the Beauty Crop. I will tell you, I loved that primer from the last time, the Glow Drop Primer. I'm still using it. I don't have it on currently because I just ran inside and started doing this, but ooh, okay. I can tell you right now, I'm going to love this. Sometimes you just see something and you know it was made for you. You know what I mean? Like my husband. Okay. Y'all, look how pretty. Okay, so that's gonna give your face, your skin, such a beautiful, like, I know it's not summer glow, it's more of a fall glow, but look, I don't know if you can tell, but that is beautiful. I am really excited to give that a try. And I wish I could find it on here because, oh, here we go. Okay, so this one is 8C. This was one of their picks, and it regularly retails for $19.50. So again, I would not go to a store and pick something called Glow Milk out, even though that packaging right there, tell me that's not great. I might actually grab this just because that marketing right there is top notch. Okay, top shelf, crop shop, whoever's in charge of your marketing department, keep them there because I myself would buy this just because of that cute little packaging. But I am excited to try that in real life, like looking at the actual product and not just the packaging, because y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging. Definitely am excited to try that. So I told y'all I would do a close-up of this one for you to show you how pretty that was. Look at how cute that little packaging is though. I mean, little smiley face. Just a little pump there. And look at that, look how pretty that is. Look at that shimmer. And it's very natural, I mean, not natural, obviously I'm not naturally shiny like, you know, a vampire from Twilight, but the color of that is natural. Ooh, okay, so room spray, Danielle Stone, Centon Noir. I don't speak French, but my husband does. He speaks many languages. I know how to say hurry up in a lot of languages because I hear that a lot. Okay, so this is the room spray, and let me see if I can find this somewhere. Okay, we're gonna give this a shot. Waft that, waft. I like that. It's a very feminine spray. All right, so they have a pumpkin spice or a Centon Noir. I don't know if maybe that's how you say pumpkin spice in another language. I don't know. I would have to get back to you on that. I can tell you that this retails for $36. I can tell you right now too, never would buy that. Never would spend $36 on a room spray. So gonna make this stretch and last, and if I really love it, there's no way that's pumpkin spice, by the way. This is too feminine of a smell. It's not bad, it smells good. It may not be like a preference of mine. I don't usually like the way that like food smell, but I don't mind it for seasonal things like the holidays. Like I don't mind the pumpkin and the apple and the cinnamons for that time of year, but normally I don't like to smell food. I prefer the earthy tones and the florals. That would be something that I would definitely try, like spritzing on my couch or my mattress just to make that smell good. Oh, I'm so excited about these. I work on my computer a lot. I have a couple of jobs that I work from home. I work for my dad as basically his secretary. And then I also am a Disney travel professional, I plan vacations for Disney and Universal, and so I spend a lot of time on the computer, and so I have been hearing that I have to try these, and this is the Nectar brand. Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses in the brown turquoise. So these are supposed to help with the blue light that comes off of like your laptops and phones. There's not a prescription in it, so that would be an issue if I'm working late at night because I do wear glasses, but I will have to try those out. I'm really excited to try them. I love the round frames. That's just usually what I prefer because I have that just works with my face shape. They come with a little bag there, and that also is gonna serve as like a cleaning for the lenses. Excited to try your brand. And then finally, also, this is one that I actually requested. So I requested the hair remover, and I requested the glasses, and I requested this, and then I requested, it seems like I requested like a serum. I didn't get the serum, but I did get the other type of facial primer, so we'll see how that works. But this is just a cute little, let's see, Mia Melange. I don't have a cool name like that, just Candace. But wouldn't you like to have a name like Mia Melange? I bet that's not really her name though. Mia Melange created this foldable cotton basket for us. So it's made from cotton yarn rope, and it can be used as a planter, storage, and more, and it retails for $60. Again, seeing that, like the size of it, if I saw that in Target, which I probably won't ever find this in Target, but if I was cruising down the aisles at say like a Crate and Barrel, and this popped up, don't mean to offend Mia Melange if she does not sell her items in the Pottery Barn or the Crate and Barrel, but I don't think she sells it in the Target, so I would probably never come up on this. But if I did and it was $60, again, I probably wouldn't buy it. But this is an awesome opportunity to, again, try these products that I would not normally try. So, and I'm not cheap, but like I just prefer my money to go into other, I guess I splurge on big items. I splurge on purses, like household items. So those are my big splurges. I'll shop at Target and Walmart and all those places because I'm a real person. But I definitely like trying out the Mia Melange type stuff, and so FabFitFun is giving me an opportunity to do that at a really great price, because not only do I get this little rope yarn basket that I'm probably gonna roll up towels and put in my bathroom, but I also get all of these other items. So again, I personally think that this is a great option. If you like surprises, if you like trying products, if you're like me and you would not typically go and spend money on these things, but you certainly don't mind giving them a try, I'll spend $50 on all of these products because I probably would spend $50 on like a face makeup or a pedicure. So, you know, that makes sense. I am pretty I'm really pleased. I have yet to be not pleased with any of these items that I've received. So FabFitFun is doing a fantastic job. Look, I messed up the little milk carton. If you are on the fence about trying for the FabFitFun, I would highly recommend giving it a try just one time. You know, you don't have to commit to doing it for the rest of your life. I think you can give it a try a couple of times and just see if the products are for you. I think it's a fantastic value and it's a great opportunity. I feel like I'm getting like a little care package that, you know, I paid for to my doorstep every season. So I love it and I highly recommend it. Give this box a 5 out of 5 stars. So be sure to check them out and thanks for tuning in.